Hey guys, welcome back. Well, today I'm at my wit's end here with this Honda Ridgeline, and this is my last idea before I go crazy. But I wanted to show you how to get a stuck CV axle out of a transmission on one of these Ridgelines or any Honda. You can see in here, my camera will focus, that's a vice grip clamped onto a broken inner CV axle. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of illustrate this as I do it, and hopefully it'll come out. And then I'll explain what I did once it actually comes out. This is a real son of a bitch. Fucker. There it is. I think that's everything. Alright, so here it is. Vice grip by Milwaukee. These things are the shit. And let me pull back the camera here. This is an old bolt puller that I used through the vice grip head, or the vice grip tightening nut that comes with it. I put this on here. This happens to be really good steel, and then just use this to bang against it. It's very tight in there. I saw a couple of videos where a guy took a, I'll show you here. Got so much shit laying around. A huge threaded rod into the back of a vice grip with a sledge attached to it and use it as a slide hammer. Problem is that he must have a better vice grip than the ones that they now currently sell in Lowe's, because I think this is some shitty, the threads here are so shitty on it that when you actually cinch down this threaded rod that fit correctly and match the bolt size for the vice grip, when you cinch it down, it causes the threads to strip out in it. So this, not so much. So I used this method here to get it out, and now I'm going to go ahead and replace that thing. So this is what comes out. Fuck you, CV axle.